Breaking news. The police high command have revealed that an alleged cyber criminal hacked into the system of the Enugu state government and stole the sum of 1,097,000,000. You see this thing? I don't put everybody high. Eh? Now before they go believe this one. Now, Enugu state government come. Which system did they hack? Because money is meant to be in a bank account. Except if I don't know. Again. But what I know is that money is in the bank account. What system was hacked? If now video format, that format I don't spoil it. I don't cast harm. As if a spirit have been speaking to me will make me even go do that thing what I do. How was he hacked? I mean, but it's better than to come and tell us that snake swallow the money or monkey carry the money run. You understand? But understand that this format I've casted. So the police should investigate deeper. I am not saying that they are lying. The Enugu state government are lying, but the police should investigate deeper. Secondly, if truly, which I don't believe, more just assume say not true. Say they hack inside Enugu state government carry money. Shout out to the hacker. But please, the money where you carry now, try to make use that for the development of the country. You understand? Because these so-called governments of Nigeria, nobody say that they won't do much for the people self. And so, una know so na few hard state government since. Now una know they Now they go after innocent citizens. Instead, So one person no feel just the state government. Then he go come start to do all the things where they spoil for Nigeria, like to do road, build the schools, just do some kind of things so we need, like our basic things, like give water to different communities that don't have water, create housing scheme, just by yourself, just to say, okay, you want to increase the minimum wage of Nigerians. If you don't say the government's money, for the benefit of all of us now. But then again, Enugu state governments, please, people should come with another lie. Or else, let me not call it a lie, for they'll go sue me. Come with another format. Because I want to see evidence of where they took that money from. Provide a clear evidence. Don't come and tell the public that 1.something billion is missing. How? Where was he moved to? Where was he moved to? Well, I don't put everybody eye. That format no fit work. If na me una say na copy, my own not be real. My own not be real. My own have to show people say, see, this media is crazy. You need to do well to investigate. And thank God I don't give them practical. So now is the exam. Nigerians, ask them how it moved, where it moved from, and who did it. Which accounts they removed that kind of money from? Which bank was it? What bank did this one happen? What bank? Tell us the bank. And how did the money move? You want to show the accounts where it moved to. You're gone, man. I'm not going to learn. That kind of money is supposed to get big security. Still 1 point. Say they move 1 point something billion from Enugu state government.